We are about to see three newsreels directed by Dziga Vertov, one of the greatest Soviet filmmakers. Dziga Vertov is best known as one of the godfathers of the famous Soviet montage. He was a filmmaker, he was a theoretician, and all his works are preserved both in Moscow at Gosfilmofond and in Vienna. These newsreels are much more than just simple newsreels depicting life in this fantastic new utopia called Soviet Union. These are actually short films that he was making, and the more years went by, the more courageous he was and the more he was experimenting. And we're about to see three newsreels, newsreel number 7, 10, and 19. You will see the films exactly as they are preserved, slightly faded, sometimes slightly more contrasted, and it would be nicer, with scratches, with missing frames, with broken perforation. But this is how they are preserved. And if you're interested in seeing more, they're also all available on our website, www.filmmuseum.at. My great pleasure now to announce Boštjan Narat, who will accompany the three short films by Dziga Vertov on electric guitar. Boštjan.